Now there's one more type of stamp that I want to create, so I'll select Create Custom Stamp, and this time I'm going to browse into the Lesson 10 folder, and here is a copy of my signature. Now, I'm not providing this particular file for you. My recommendation is that you scan a copy of your signature and, using whatever method you like, create a PDF file from that, because you can do this along with me if you do that. This is a very useful tool for a couple of different reasons. One, I can apply what looks like my signature to a document. So let me go ahead and create the stamp, and then I'll show you how I use it. Select, click OK. I'm going to create a new category. And I'm going to name the stamp Signature. It's my signature. I actually, in my copy of Acrobat on my work computer, have several different Tim Plummer specific stamps, Signature being one of them. Click OK. Acrobat has added this to the mix. I can select it, Tim Plummer specific, select my signature, and then I can either click to place my signature, or if I like, I can click and drag to place a large copy of my signature. This is useful for a couple of different reasons. As I said, first, I can apply what looks like my signature to a document. And oftentimes, I work with documents that are PDF files that I'm not attempting to comment on. I actually need to sign them. And instead of printing them out and hand signing them, I can add a comment to the document that looks like I printed it out and hand signed it, except that I didn't have to do that. And this allows me to keep it as a file that I can use from my computer, as opposed to having to print it out and fax it. Now, if you're thinking about this, I can click this and delete this, which may become a problem in such a workflow. Not so, because if you use the security functionality of Acrobat to lock the document, you can lock it so that even though you placed a comment as your signature, nobody would be able to tell that fact because the document's locked. You can set it so that they won't be able to change it. So that's a couple of different ways that I tend to use stamps. They're very, very convenient ways to both indicate workflow and, in this case, actually add comment to a PDF that you might need sort of in a late stage editing process.